The 1970 Chevelle SS with the LS6 454 V8 was the hottest muscle car of the early 70s, putting out a whopping 450 horsepower. This beast could go from 0 to 60 mph in just 6 seconds and ran the quarter mile in 14 seconds flat. With its swept-back front end, dual headlights, and long hood, the 70 Chevelle SS cut an imposing figure. Under the hood, the LS6 454 packed a Holley 800 CFM carburetor, solid lifter cam, and high 11.25.1 compression pistons. The suspension was beefed up too, with a thicker front sway bar, boxed control arms, and staggered shocks. The cowl induction hood, dual exhaust, and fat raised white letter tires announced the Chevelle's presence. Inside, the SS got a wood grain dash, bucket seats, and Hurst shifter. The 1970 Chevelle SS combined brute force with style. It's one of the most iconic American muscle cars. In mint condition today, these beasts can fetch over $100,000.